Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. A little quick video on text to path. If you've used text to path, it says it right here, text on path layer 1. And the gentleman that's doing this, he's testing it on wood first, and he didn't close his door early enough to get the circle. But he can't remove the circle that he used for text to path. He said, I didn't group it. Because if you go to object group and you could group that, but you can't group it. You always need to look down for other things on this object. Break text apart, which is Control K. So if we select everything and hit Control K, that broke the circle apart. So now your text is different. Now, if he's actually doing this on a coaster, you can use that hairline if you draw a hairline to make sure it's on your coaster. Leave your door open this time and let it run a vector job. And then if that, whatever, I don't know what size, let's say a coaster is 4 inches. Then you got a 4-inch coaster, you could make sure you're in your laser bed correctly if you're using center, or even if you have it top left center, or top left corner. You can do some checking with especially if you have a red dot pointer, which I would hope most people would. That'll draw a line, kind of go like at 0 power and 30 speed, and you can see that you're in the right place. And then just run a raster job, engrave this, and that line will not engrave because it's a hairline, but you can always delete it. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.